Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by connecting the devices and granting access. Plug a USB cable into both devices or start a secure Wi-Fi transfer app. On your phone, choose the file transfer or MTP option when prompted, and unlock the screen so the laptop can read files. On the laptop, accept any driver installs or open the transfer app. Once done, navigate to the phone's storage from your file manager so you can select files to move. Now you'll select what to move and execute the transfer. Highlight files or folders, right-click and choose Copy or Cut, then paste into the laptop destination folder. Dragging works too. For large batches, use an app with pause and resume or split transfers into chunks to avoid corruption. Make sure free space is sufficient on the laptop and monitor transfer progress. If speed matters, use the cable. If mobility matters, confirm both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network before starting. Complete the process by verifying files opened correctly on your laptop, and then safely eject the phone or stop the Wi-Fi session so no data is lost. Check file sizes and open a representative file to confirm integrity. If transfer failed, try simple fixes. Reconnect or swap the USB port or cable, restart both devices, or toggle the phone's USB mode. If problems persist, use an alternate method like cloud upload.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.